A final question that the interview committee can ask you is your research goals and your research alignments. Now understand, there could be a very simple question that why do you want to do research at IIT and not a conventional university? So you must be able to bring it very clear to the panel that you want to do a research which has applied domains. Since IIT is known for its applied studies, it's important that even any topic of humanities, social science, literature, philosophy you are bringing brings a applied vision to it, and also how this program would help you further in going forward for your thesis in a applied way. So any topic that you have picked up, you must be very well conversant with it, know the state of art, know the literature review well, and then see yourself how this program would help you work on that topic or that thesis in your future, how the policymakers, the academicians there would be a beneficial source for you. Also, be honest what you clearly want to indicate through your research. Since you are an undergrad student, it's too early to commit to an exact topic of research for this point, but still you should be very clear about the domain, about the existing literature reviews that you have done, about the data collection that you would be doing, and then the goal, the ultimate objective of your research should be very, very clear. So you should have a clear curiosity, a clear direction, and a plan for the next 5 years for your MA and PhD at the IIT. So this was one of the final slides that we have taken for understanding your interview preparation. So across the 5 sessions, we have covered those topics. In case you have any questions or queries, feel free to click on the link below. Thanks for joining, or connect us on WhatsApp at the number below. Have a great day.